We're with Nicola again. We're going to the, I don't know what's called.
NCG thing.
Something to look at pictures. That's what we're doing.
It is cold.
I know, it's so windy today. Oh my gosh. Wait. Can you even see? But this is the line for merch. It's literally all the way over there. So long. That is Nicola's. Got out of the exhibition. Dude, we didn't even see. Honestly, that was a waste of $30.
It was a waste, don't go.
We only went, well, she only went for the photo card and I wanted to tag along, so. But we literally were standing in line for most of the time
It was
waiting
like
for merch.
3 rooms and that was like it.
Please.
As always.
We're gonna get food now. And she has to go to work today, which is so boo-boo.
I know.
Oh,
My place doesn't care about much first freedom. So sad.
but it's so cold right now, guys. Oh my gosh. It's really nice and sunny. Ah. Okay, bye DDP. We're gonna open some of them.
Many of them.
This is for her though.
Yeah.
She's aiming for everyone. Wait, why are
You
they
get 3 per pack. Oh my god, the sticker is so annoying.
ready? Oh, damn.
Oh.
Wait, they're the same.
Nearly the
Oh wait,
same.
here they're the same. She is the photo card distributor right now. Look at this.
It's a problem, I have too many.
I wish she was wearing the hat though.
I know. Like, look at Doyoung in the hat.
I know. These are cute.
Box is cute though.
This is 20 packs of photo cards. We only got 2 out of everything.
That's how many cards? 20 packs.
40. Or it's a little Jan standing and pop socket. This is so cute. I love it. Rolling pasta and then pizza.
Feels like a good pizza as well. Actually, I'm impressed.